Hello people, welcome again to this channel. Through this video, I will like to share to you the 7 tips and tricks about iPhone that you can do for a better activity on your daily. So first is to do a quick access of the application. So you just need to tap and hold the application that you want to visit, tap and hold, and that will be giving you a lot of shortcut options that you can use. So this can make your activity quick faster. The next one is it's just about how to undo the text on your iPhone. So let's just open the Apple Notes right here, and then just go tap into the new notes, and then let's say here you want to type something but then you miss typing it. So if you want to redo it, you just need to go shake your phone, and then it will be pop up this tab of options, and then you just need to type undo, and all is already deleted, just like previously you do the actions. The next is how you can select the whole sentence on your text documents on iPhone. Let's say here I already have this whole sentence and you want to select everything. So the thing that you have to do is just tap 3 times over the text here, and then the whole sentence could be highlighted. Next is how the way you can share your screenshots easily and faster without have to open the photo library. So let's just take a screenshot here, and right after that you just need to tap into this picture, and that could be an access to edit this if you want. So if you want to share it right away, just tap into this, and that could be giving you an option the way how you can share this screenshot. And right after that you just need to go tap down, and there could be like a lot of options. Either you want to save it or you can just delete since you already shared it. The next is how the way you can screenshot into this specific area to share. So again, just click the screenshot, and they will be give you this option, and tap into the screenshots. And if you want to only crop or giving the screenshot this area, you just need to crop it by swipe this area up and just skip this text. And now just need to go click the share button to share into your friends, and then just tap down, and after that go click delete screenshots since you already sent it to your friends. The next tips is how the way you can customize the ringtone for a specific number on your phone. Now first you just need to open your phone application, and then you just need to find the context that you want to customize the ringtone, and tap on it. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into edit, and you just need to look scroll all the way down, and then you just need to go tap into this ringtone, and then you just need to pick the specific ringtone that you want to use for your selected contact. And now you just need to tap down. And the last is how the way you can select the contact to go through the bypass emergency. So you just need to go open your phone application and just find the contact that you want to select, and then just tap into edit and just go scrolling down until you find the ringtone, and that could be an options on the top part whenever you scroll it up. And that could be emergency pass, means that whenever your phone is in the do not disturb mode, this the call from this contact could be still passing the mode, and then just tap done and you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.